Hey, cricket fans! Today, I'm diving into the world of international cricket, where legends are born and sometimes even they falter. Let's talk about Virat Kohli's unexpected performance in the recent T20 World Cup match against Ireland and why this might not be as bad as it seems. Picture this. It's the T20 World Cup, 2024 opener, and all eyes are on India, especially on Virat Kohli, who's returning as an opener. Kohli, who's usually a powerhouse, had a surprising slip this time. Just one run from 5 balls. Yep, just one. But here's where it gets interesting. Rohit Sharma, on the other side, was smashing it, hitting milestones one after the other. While Kohli might have had a rare off day, his track record speaks volumes. Before this game, he averaged a whopping 81.5 in the T20 World Cup. That's elite. Looking ahead, India is set to face Pakistan next at the same venue. It's one of cricket's biggest rivalries, and I bet Kohli is gearing up to make a strong comeback. Don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed this dive into the cricket world, and subscribe for more sports insights and electrifying stories. Catch you in the next one.